The Minister in charge of Public Health Engineering, Government of Meghalaya, Marcuise Marak, had met newspersons on the 21st of April 2023 to clarify on the issue of shortage of water supply in most parts of Shillong City. Marcuise Marak, while talking about the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme, said that the government is all out to complete the project of the third phase of the Greater Shillong Water Supply, although there are challenges and demands that it has to take into account while implementing the said project.
Regarding Greater Water Supply Scheme of Shillong Town City, it is now just because of the land issue there with some localities there. Only because of the land issue now it's being pending. Otherwise, it would have been commissioned very soon. We are trying our level best to negotiate with the parties there and then solve the issue at the earliest. Laying of pipes and some locations, I think construction of some things also. There are issues like they were demanding for the employments, and then when the government has assured them and then taken steps to give the employment, another set of demands are coming in. So therefore, to resolve these issues, government needs some time, because it's keep on increasing the demands. So therefore, these are the issues that government is facing with the localities there. And by government is all out, to commission the third phase of the Shillong Greater Water Supply Scheme. But because of the issues that is coming up every day, it's stuck up there. So therefore, sincerity of the government is always there, and then from my ministry, PHE ministry, is all out, and our sincerest effort is being given so that it is addressed at the earliest. Greater Water Supply Scheme Shillong, I think laying of pipes in some stretches are because of the highway extension is going on, so that is in part because of that, I think.